Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to learn on how to divide polynomials using long division. First, we have the parts of this polynomial. We have the what we call divisor, which is x plus 5, the dividend, which is 2x squared plus 5x minus 23. And note that dividing polynomials is similar to the procedure used when dividing whole numbers. Okay, ready? Let's go!
10x squared plus 2x raised to 4 plus 8 plus 7x cubed divided by 2x squared plus x minus 1. So this is the solution. First, we're going to write the dividend in the standard form and insert zeros as coefficients of any missing term to obtain 2x raised to 4, 7x cubed plus 10x squared plus 0x plus 8. So again, we're going to arrange the given in standard form. Pag sinabi nating standard form, mula sa pinakamataas na exponent, pababa. Pag may missing term, magdadagdag tayo ng 0. Okay, again, our dividend, 10x squared plus 2x raised to 4 plus 8 plus 7x cubed, it will become 2x raised to 4 plus 7x cubed plus 10x squared plus 0x plus 8. Then, both dividend and divisor should be in standard form. Or both dividend and divisor should be in standard form. We divide 2x raised to 4 plus 7x cubed plus 10x squared plus 0x plus 8. Okay, again, we insert 0 for the missing term. Okay, divided by 2x squared plus x minus 1. Okay, so this is the first step. We're going to focus on the first term, which is 2x raised to 4. 2x raised to 4 divided by 2x squared is x squared. So 2 divided by it is 1. Then we subtract the exponent. 4 minus 2 is 2. So therefore, we have x squared. Then we multiply x squared times 2x squared equals 2x raised to 4. And then x squared times x is x cubed. Next, x squared times negative 1 is negative x squared. And then subtract 2x raised to 4 minus 2x raised to 4 is 0. And then 7x cubed minus positive x cubed. Okay, we're going to change positive into negative and then proceed as in addition. 7x cubed plus negative x cubed is positive 6x cubed. Next is 10x squared minus x squared. Again, we're going to change the sign. Negative, make it positive and then proceed as in addition. So 10x squared plus x squared is positive 11x squared. And then, the next one is to bring down 0x. Okay, next. Again, we focus on the first term. 6x cubed divided by 2x squared, positive 3x. Again, 6 divided by 2 is 3. Then, x cubed divided by x squared is x. 3 minus 2 is 1. Okay, if we subtract the exponent will be 1. Okay, next. The next step is to multiply the quotient to the divisor. So 3x times 2x squared is 6x cubed. Then 3x times x is 3x squared. Then 3x times negative 1 is negative 3x. Okay, then the next one is to subtract. 6x cubed minus 6x cubed is 0. And then 11x squared minus 3x squared. Okay, positive, change to negative. And then proceed as in addition, 11x squared plus negative 3x squared. The answer is 8x squared. Then the next one, 0x plus minus negative 3x. Again, change the sign, it becomes positive. So then proceed as in addition. So 0x plus 3x is positive 3x. Next is to bring down 8. So we have positive 8. And the next one, we have to divide 8x squared divided by 2x squared. Okay, 8 divided by 2 is 4. X squared divided by x squared is 0. Okay, because if we're going to subtract their exponent, 2 minus 2 is 0. Therefore, the quotient is 4. Okay, so next we multiply 4 times 2x squared. We have 8x squared. 4 times x is 4x. 4 times negative 1 is negative 4. Okay, then we subtract 8x squared minus 8x squared is 0. Then 3x minus positive 4x. Again, we are going to change the sign, make it negative. So 3x plus negative 4x, that is negative x. And then now we have positive 8 minus negative 4. Again, change the sign, make it positive. Then 8 plus 4 now is equal to 12. Okay, so our quotient here now is x squared plus 3x plus 4. And the remainder is negative x plus 12. Okay, so if you're going to write the answer in this format, we have 2x raised to 4 plus 7x cubed plus 10x squared plus 8, which is the dividend divided by the divisor, 2x squared plus x minus 1, equals the quotient, x squared plus 3x plus 4, plus the remainder, negative x plus 12, over the divisor, 2x squared plus x minus 1.
Okay, good luck and thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you!